Hi my sweet people, today I actually made some sea salt brownie cookies, and if you want to know how I make these, then do keep on watching. The items you'll need will be chocolate chips, all-purpose flour, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, eggs, cocoa powder, sea salt, and baking powder. So you can just prepare a mixing bowl and add in your flour, and then next you can add in your cocoa powder. After that, you can add in your baking powder. Next item you need to add in will be the sea salt. Just mix well to combine the dry ingredients and just keep aside. You can prepare another bowl to add in your chocolates and also add in your butter. Once you're done adding in your chocolates and your butter, you can prepare to microwave this for around 30 seconds and you can monitor. Back to your mixing your dry ingredients, you can add in your brown sugar and as well as your white sugar. You have microwaved both of the butter and the chocolates, then just continue mixing until both are combined. that they are well combined, you can take your dry ingredients mixture and add in your eggs. Mix in your eggs with the dry ingredients and then start to pour in your chocolate mixture. Add in slowly to mix in both of the dry and the wet ingredients, and if you want you can use a mixer to actually mix it to become a bit more fluffier, but I didn't use a mixer here because I was feeling lazy. So if you want, do use that and just ensure that they are fully combined so they can prepare to bake the cookies. My mixture is well combined, but it's just like a little bit thick and like a thick consistency, so just get ready to mix it. And I found it better to actually refrigerate it before you actually bake it, because it wasn't so flat, because the first few that I made were flat, and if you refrigerate it and then later bake it, then it tends to be a bit more like poofy kind of cookies, and both tasted the same. It's just that one was flatter than the other. So you can just prepare your pan to bake the cookies, and then just add in the cookies. So since mine is a small oven, I'm just going to add 4 cookies first, because I don't want to get them burned, because the sides of my oven can burn the cookies. I was a bit hesitant to make these because I'm not sure how brownie cookies were gonna taste, but it ended up being a nice surprise actually, and everyone really loved the cookies. So I'm sure everyone should try this and see how you like it. If you like brownies, these were like a drier version of the cookies. I mean brownies. So if you want to know how it tastes, do try and make it, and I'm sure you'll like it, especially with the sea salt. It really made a difference. So here it is, all done and ready. That's all for my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine.